Good morning, everybody. It is around 9:02 in the morning, and right now we are headed to Cars and Coffee and meeting up with some people that went on the rally. And then after that, we are driving about 20 to 30 minutes and picking up a new toy so Kevin can use it on the channel. So let's get into it.
Oh, you got a new splitter. That's also a beautiful S6. Kind of did. Whoa. That's sick. Bakery. Wow. I quite like this one. The blacked out S6.
I'm gonna go get my winter coat.
What? Oh, wow. Color shift like gray to maroon. Probably. Hello, sir. How we doing? No more stickers. Looks clean. I like it.
That's my favorite car here. I don't get
Yeah, it is.
I want this. Not this one.
No.
Definitely probably this project.
Rally King's plate, baby. All sorts of ECS carbon fiber in here. Intake cover, engine cover. What do you guys think?
Whoa. I don't know every
Ladies and gentlemen, successful Cars and Coffee. Everybody had a fun time. Everybody was safe, socially distancing, wearing masks, etc. Now we are on our way to go pick up the new toy for the channel, which I'm so excited about. You guys have no idea. Literally was like just geeking the entire week, and we are 5 minutes away from the destination. Not going to record the transaction because it's weird. Don't want to record strangers and whatnot, but we do have it coming up here shortly. So
Right? That would make that alive.
we will make it out alive. If we don't, whoever finds my phone, upload this video. It's been real. Thank you. Hopefully not the case though. I think everything should go smoothly. We're picking it up. I keep saying it. I'm like very ambiguous here. Oh man, I'm so excited. Let's cut to when we get it and when we load it up though, because I'm too excited. I can't keep talking about it without telling you what it is. So without further ado, this is what we got. Ladies and gents, we bought a Zuma. Big thank you to Ty and Derek for helping us scoop, because we thought it was going to fit in the back of the Ford Escape. Turns out it was not the case. These things are a little bit bigger in person. Fear not though, we took it for a test drive. Everything is beautiful, works flawlessly, and very excited to test it out a little further here
Should wrap it like
towards the afternoon.
pink.
That's what we were talking about. Maybe not chrome pink, but like something insane. Like a deep purple. Or like a gold.
Neon yellow, like the straps. So Lightning McQueen wrap. Now it's not going anywhere.
No, now it's not. Hell yeah, we're good. We should do it
Is there a
like,
locking, parking brake on this thing?
I don't think so. I think it's fine.
I don't know how mopeds work really.
Chrome gold. Slap a 69 on the side. There she is. Taking the Zuma out for a bit of a spin today. Didn't get a ton of footage actually on this thing because you have to have 2 hands to operate it, and obviously can't film while you're on it. So we're being safe, but we're getting some rollers. We're going to have one person driving the Jeep and one person on the Zuma. But this thing is so much fun. Newest addition to the channel, newest toy. I don't like the dark green, to be completely honest. We're thinking about wrapping it, but this baby, 2015 Yamaha 4-stroke. Very excited and very happy with this purchase. Yee!
I'm not really the best with the recording stuff though, so.
I am speed.
Ladies and gentlemen, new day. It is Monday, start of the week, and we have got a lot to do because we just brought the scooter back to Mount Pleasant, back to school. This is the first time I've started my car in like 5 days. Finally, barely fit it in Alex's Jeep, so we know that the Zuma fits in the back of a Wrangler, and it just fit. I'm telling you, like, we had to squeeze that thing every which way. We actually had to put pressure on the front shocks because it was too close. We're going to get it unloaded and then go to the store and find a way to secure it down. There is no insurance on scooters, by the way, so it's completely road legal as we have it right now. I do have a helmet and some gloves I picked up off Amazon. Even if you have a motorcycle in the state of Michigan, you do not need a helmet. I would recommend one though, because you never know. You can be as safe as you want driving any vehicle, really, especially though for 2-wheeled bikes, motorcycles, mopeds, scooters, anything. There's an inherent danger of other drivers, and that is not something you can control.
Sounds simple enough.
Horn. High beams, low beams, and then turn signal to the left, turn signal to the right, and then it's on, and then just turn off like that.
So today we just got a bike lock for the scooter, so hopefully that's sufficient enough for like theft prevention purposes. It's more of a deterrent rather than like an actual means of defense. That is gonna wrap up the video, guys. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit subscribe, not miss out on future content like this one. Also be sure to hit the like button. It helps out the algorithm and helps promote my videos to people like you. Guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Adios.